are the most useful spreadsheet functions everyone should know? They work in Excel and Google Sheets. First, sum. Use it to add numbers. Click an empty cell, type equals sum, select the sales column, and press enter. Now you have the total. Second, average. This calculates the mean value. Type equals average, select the score column, and press enter. Perfect for grades or statistics. Third, count and COUNTA. Count counts only numbers. COUNTA counts all filled cells. Use this to know how many values are in a list. Fourth, if. This creates simple logic. For example, if the score is above 50, show pass, otherwise show fail. Type equals if, score greater than 50, pass, fail. Drag it down to apply it to all rows. Fifth, trim. This removes extra spaces in text. Type equals trim, select the messy text, and press enter. Now the names are clean. Copy the result and paste values only to keep the clean text. These 5 functions solve most beginner problems in spreadsheets.